Children, how are you all? I hope you all are best. Now, yes, in the last class we have learned comprehension. Now one more comprehension we will do it from the same Gulmohar book. Okay, and chapter 2. Now take out your Gulmohar book and open the chapter 2. This is the Gulmohar book and the chapter 2. Now we are going to read this chapter. Okay, first we will read. Now, Ashma's house, chapter 2. This is Ashma's house. It is blue. It has a garden and a small gate. This is Ashma. She is 6 years old. Ashma is playing in the garden. There is a big Gulmohar tree in the garden. Look at the beautiful red flowers. An owl lives in a hole in the tree. Next, we'll go to the next page. Here is Ali. Ali is Ashma's little brother. He is playing with a squirrel. Ali gives a nut to the squirrel. The squirrel eats the nuts. Then it ran away. Where is the squirrel? Look. Says Ashma and Ali. It is up there on the branch. Now we are going to read this chapter again with the help of the pictures. Now this is Ashma's house. It is blue in color. It has a garden and a small gate. Now there is a big Gulmohar tree in the garden and look at the red beautiful flowers. Okay, an owl is in a hole in the tree. Now this is Ali. He is a little brother of Ashma. He is playing with a squirrel. Now he is giving nuts to the squirrel, and after eating the nuts, squirrel runs away. Where's the squirrel? Both the sisters and the sister and the brother are asking. Okay, it is up there on the branch. Okay. Now we will go to the next page to do the other activities. Now I have given you the spellings. You will write in the notebook. Now next page. Underline the story. A. Complete these sentences with the correct words. Now the two words are given to you in the bracket. You have to choose the correct answer and you write fill in the blanks. Now number 1. There is a dash tree in Ashma's garden. Gulmohar or a mango. Which tree is this one? This is a Gulmohar tree. So there is a Gulmohar tree in Ashma's garden. Number 2. The owl lives in a dash in the tree hole or a nest. Where the owl is living? In a hole. So the owl lives in a hole in the tree. In a hole in the tree. Number 3. Ashma's brother is playing with dash rabbit or a squirrel. Now Ashma's brother, he is playing with a rabbit or a squirrel. Which animal is this one? This is a squirrel. Okay, so squirrel will be the answer. Ashma's brother is playing with a squirrel. Number 4. Ali gives a dash to the squirrel. Fruits or nuts? What he is giving? He is giving nuts. So Ali gives a nuts to the squirrel. Now number B. Answer these questions with the correct words from the box. Now, we have to answer this. Answer these words. The words are given in the box, and you have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Now, number 1. What does Ashma's house have? Now, it has dash and a small dash. Ashma has a garden. It has a garden and a small gate. Okay. Number 2. What is Ashma doing? What is Ashma doing? She is playing with a ball. She is playing in the garden. Okay. Number 3. Who is Ali? Who is Ali? Ali is Ashma's little brother. Okay. Where is the squirrel? The squirrel is on the branch. Okay. Now, enjoy the story. Enjoy the story. Look at the words in colors. Here, the words are given in colors. What do you know about them from the story? Circle the correct words. Now, The words are given in colors and and the three answers are given. You have to choose the correct one. Okay, as you see in the picture. Now, house. House is in which color? Green. It's given green, blue and orange. Which color is the house? House is a blue. So you have to circle the blue color. Number 2. Gate. Gate is a small, big or tall. Gate is here the gate is shown as a small. So you will circle the small. Number 3. Ashma. She is 5, 10 or 6 years old. She is 6 years old. So you will circle 6. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page. Now grammar. Okay, read these sentences. Ashma is playing in the garden. Ali is playing with a squirrel. Ali and Ashma are the names of the boy and the girl in the story. They are proper nouns. Proper nouns are special names we give to. Now here we have already learned proper noun means a special name. Okay, special names of any people, person, place, animal or things are called special names. Okay, now we have got some more examples to learn. Now the special name of people, for example, Mary, Mukul, Anita, Tintin. Days and months, the name of the days and months. For example, Monday, Friday, April, July. Number, place, next number, place. Example, for examples, Mumbai, Mount Everest, Forum Mall, Cuban Park, okay, etc. These are the special names of places. Now special names of things. For example, Amul, Lux, Bata, Camlin. These are the examples we can learn and we'll know properly what are the proper nouns or a special name. Now we'll go to the next one. Number 8. Circle the proper noun in these sentences. Number 1. Today is Tuesday. Now one is done for us. Tuesday is a special name, so it has been circled. Number 2. Rahul is at the zoo. Now which is the special name over here? Rahul. So circle the word Rahul. Number 3. Sorry. Can I buy a Kit Kat? Now which is the special name over here? Kit Kat. So circle the word Kit Kat. Number 4. We are going to Ace Bakery. Now which is a special name over here? Ace Bakery is a special name of the place. So we have to circle it. Number 5. Seema lives in Kanpur. Now there is two special names over here. Seema and Kanpur. So we have to circle it. Okay. Now read the sentences. Okay. Now it has a garden. An owl lives in a hole in the tree. Now here we have a and an with a noun to show there is only one of something, that is a tree and umbrella. When we say a tree means one tree, an umbrella means one umbrella. So we will learn a and an for the single thing, that is only one thing. Okay, now we'll see the vowels. We have already learned vowels. Now what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Whenever the words having these letters first, the beginning letters of any word is of this letters, then we put A and in front of that. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page and see number B. Tick the correct word in the bracket. Now A and an is given to us in the bracket and we have to choose which one is the correct or appropriate word will be with the sentences. Now number 1. I have a or an orange and a or an banana in my bag. Now orange is a vowel, so in front of O we have to put an. And banana, it's not a vowel, so we will put a. So I have an orange and a banana in my bag. Number 2. My mother cuts a or an onion and a or an potato. Now again onion, again it's a vowel, so we will put an in front of that. And potato P. So it will be A. So my mother cuts an onion and a potato. Number 3. We carry a or an basket and a or an umbrella to the market. B is not a vowel. U is a vowel. So we'll put an in front of umbrella and not in front of basket. So we carry a basket and an umbrella to the market. Number 4. There is a or an picture of a or an owl on the wall. So P is not a vowel, O is a vowel. So we'll put an in front of O. Now there is a picture of an owl on the wall. Number 5. I saw a or an elephant and a or an giraffe at the zoo. Now again E is a vowel, so we'll put an in front of that. But G is not a vowel, so we'll put A. Now I saw an elephant and a giraffe at the zoo. Number 6. There is a or an cow and a or an ox in the small farm. Now C is not a vowel, so we'll put A, and ox is a vowel, O is a vowel, so we'll put an in front of that. Now there is a cow and an ox in the small farm. Okay. Now next one, complete these sentences with a or an. Now number 1. This is dash apple on the table. Eat it if you are hungry. Now A is again vowel, so we'll put an over here. So there is an apple on the table. Eat it if you are hungry. Number 2. I want to eat dash ice cream. It is a hot day. Again ice cream, I is a vowel, so we'll put here an. I want to eat an ice cream. It is a hot day. Number 3. Dash bird is sitting in the tree. B is not a vowel, so a bird is sitting in the tree. Number 4. He is riding dash bicycle in the park. Again B is not a vowel, so we'll put a. He is riding a bicycle in the park. Number 5. Dash ostrich can run very fast. Now O is a vowel, so we'll put here an. So an ostrich can run very fast. Number 6. There is dash an in the cup. Now A is again a vowel, so it will be an. So there is an ant in the cup. Number 7. The bird has dash egg in the nest. E is again a vowel, so we'll put an. So the bird has an egg in the nest. Now I'll go to the next page. Look at these pictures, then complete the word puzzle. Now here the picture's name is given over here and some of the missing letters are there. So according to that we will do the fill in the blanks. Okay, the words we can choose the word from here. Number 1. Please lock this is a door and the clue is given D. So D-O-O-R, door. Please lock the door. Number 2. My school has a big G. This is a gate. Okay. So it will be G-A-T-E, gate. My school has a big gate. Number 3. It is raining. Please shut the W. That is window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Okay. Number 4. Ashma's house has a, what is this? This is a garden. So G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Ashma's house has a garden. Number 5. Do not draw on the wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Do not draw on the wall. Now we'll go to the next page. Now children, here some pictures are given to you. Now this pictures, whether it is matches with the story pictures or not, we have to see. Now is there a picture of a house? If it is there, we have to put a tick mark. Okay, if it is not, then we will put a cross mark or we will leave it without marking it. Now house, there is a house in the picture, so put a tick mark. Clouds, there is no clouds in the picture, so no marking or cross marking. Marigold flower, there is no marigold flower here, so again no marking. Gate, there is a small gate here in the picture, so put a tick mark. Sofa. There is no picture of sofa, so no marking. Nuts. There is a picture of nuts Ali is giving, so tick it. Now owl. There is an owl in a hole, so we have to put a tick mark. Cat. There is no picture of cat, so we will not put a cross or we will not put a tick mark, or we will put a cross. Sun. There is no picture of sun, so put a cross mark or don't mark it. Picture of a tree. There is a big Gulmohar tree, so put the tick mark. Squirrel. There is a squirrel in the picture, so we'll put a tick mark. There is no picture of a living room, so we will not put any mark on it. Okay, now we'll go to the next activity. Now look at these pictures. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Again, the words are given. With the help of the pictures, we have to fill in the blanks. Now, Ashma and Ali are in the park. They are in the park. So Ashma and Ali are in the park. Number 2. Ashma is wearing yellow. She is wearing a yellow cap. Number 3. She has a dash in her hand. She has a ball in her hand. Number 4. Ali is wearing green shoes. Okay. Now then copy the complete sentences in your notebook. Okay, children. Now you have to write all these things in your notebook, and some of the spellings which I have chosen for you, selected for you. Now you are going to write that one in your notebook. These are the spellings. Okay, children. 10 spellings I have selected from this chapter. Now you will write each spelling 10 times. First is gate. Second is garden. Third is Gulmohar. Fourth is beautiful. Fifth is flowers. 6 is hole. 7 is playing. 8 is brother. 9 is squirrel. And 10 is branch. Okay. Now you will do it in your notebook, and you will learn the spelling, and you will do other work also, activities also, which is given in the book. I hope you have understood how to do the comprehension. So thank you, children. All the best.